Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful strap using camel stitch. For this, we are using 2 colors of yarn and crochet hook. To do this bag strap, we want to know the basic stitches like chain, half double crochet and slip stitch. So now let's see how to do this beautiful strap using camel stitch. The foundation chain should be the length of the strap you want. Start with a slip knot. So for this video, I'll be doing 10 chain, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We have to do till the required length of the strap you want. 3, 4, 5. So after doing the chains, it looks like this. Next, you are going to do a half double crochet in the second chain from the hook. 1, 2. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as half double crochet. Next stitch, half double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Likewise, you are going to do half double crochet in each stitch till you reach this last stitch. After doing half double crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 1, turn your work. We are going to do camel stitch. So if you see a chain here, this V shape is also one chain. If you turn like this, you have another chain here. So to do the camel stitch, we'll be working in one loop. Normally, we will insert the hook by taking these 2 loops together. So when you turn like this, you can see a loop here. So we will be inserting to do the camel stitch, we'll be inserting the hook in this loops. These loops will be inserting. So we'll do a half double crochet, inserting in this loop. Next stitch, half double crochet in this loop. Half double crochet in the loop. So we can tell that this is the 3rd loop. It looks like this. You can see a braided structure coming in front of the stitch. To do half double crochet in this 3rd stitch. So in the last, if you see, we will be inserting. After completing them, it looks like this. You can find a braided stitch in front of the row. So for next round, do chain 1, turn your work. So you have to get a braided structure here. So if you see, this is a chain here, and now we will do half double crochet in this 3rd stitch. So in these stitches, we'll be doing half double crochet. So normally we will insert the hook by taking these 2 loops together. To do the camel stitch, we'll turn your work. See the 3rd loop here. We will be inserting the hook here to do the stitch. So let's see how to do them. So turn like this, yarn over. You're going to do half double crochet in the 3rd loop. So next stitch, half double crochet. Next stitch, half double crochet. Next stitch, half double crochet. So if you see, you'll get a braided like structure here. So you have to continue this till you reach the end by doing half double crochet in this 3rd stitch. After doing them, the camel stitch looks like this. So next, do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. Next, we are going to do a border for the strap. So take the other color, make a slip knot. Insert it in this stitch, insert it in this loop. pull through, do chain 1, do a slip stitch in the stitch, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. Next stitch, slip stitch, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. Next stitch, slip stitch. So likewise you are going to do slip stitch in each stitch till you reach this stitch. After doing slip stitch till you reach this end, it looks like this. Next, turn your work and do a slip stitch in this side. So likewise you are going to do slip stitch in the other side till you reach this corner, and then we will do slip stitch in this side and finish it off by doing a slip stitch. After doing the border for the strap, it looks like this. Next, do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. The back strap looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.